How to remove your Google account from other devices. In this video, I'll show you how to check which devices you're signed into with your Google account and how to sign out of them. I'll be demonstrating this on a mobile device, but the steps also work on a laptop or computer. First, open an internet browser and go to the Google website. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Then, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. From the top navigation bar, scroll across to the right and click on Security. Now scroll down to the section called Your Devices and click on Manage All Devices. Here you'll see all the sessions you're currently signed into, including Gmail. If you notice a device you don't recognize or want to remove, simply click on that device. Then, press Sign Out and confirm by pressing Sign Out again. And that's it. It's really that simple. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.